Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I'm working on a 2007 Toyota FJ Cruiser. I want to show you something very simple. We're going to be replacing these push tabs on the cover that covers the radiator support here, or the radiator and the fan shroud. So it's very easy. All you're going to do, you're going to take your small pocket screwdriver, come right along in here, lift up on this right here, and there's one of our push clips. We'll set this aside. You're going to do the same thing to all of these. They're all the same, so you don't have to worry about mixing them up. We're going to be replacing them anyway. These are all available at 1aauto.com. There we are. Put that one down there, I'll find it later. That's what the cover looks like. It's still in good condition. It's reusable. We'll just grab all these. I'll show you what they look like compared to our new ones. Okay, a quick product comparison for you. This is going to be very basic because they're very small. There's nothing to them. We have our push clips out of our 2007 Toyota FJ Cruiser. It's a good idea to replace these when you notice that the tabs start breaking off. There's supposed to be 3 going around this. There's only 2 on this one. This one has 3. You go along, you're going to find a whole bunch of 2s, some 3s, maybe a 1 in there. When that starts happening, they don't hold down pieces like you need them to. So I would like to go ahead and replace them. Over here, we have our brand new quality 1A Auto parts. They're the exact same as the originals, an exception of they're not missing any pieces. They're brand new, of course. I don't see any reason why I wouldn't want to install these into the vehicle, so I'm going to go ahead and do it. If you need these or any other parts, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks. Okay, so we're just going to line it up so we have all of our holes matching. I'll start in the center. You can start wherever you'd like. Just going to put in the outside and then push in the inner ring. That locks it down, okay? Easy peasy. So here we are, last but not least, going in. Give them all a little push test. Feels good. Easy peasy.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.